not try anything you're about to see at home. I am not what they call a professional. Hey, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for opening your browser and selecting it at YouTube and clicking on another one of my exciting, mundane, boring videos. We're going to be doing my experience with my Starlink internet setup. This is not an install video. It's not a review per se. And it's, what else is it not? Oh, it's not entertaining. Well, anyway, let me give you a brief history. Our internet service up here sucks. I had a Verizon internet router. Wasn't much of a router. And you were limited to about 3 MIPS. Oh, and what's a MIP, you might ask? Well, here to explain it. Okay, so we had about 3 MIPS, and the upload speed was terrible. It was a little better than a carrier pigeon, maybe the Pony Express on a good day. I had no idea what YouTube was because it was just impossible to do anything. And the other problem with Verizon at the time, it was limited to 30 gigs a month. Well, I used 30 gigs a month just in about 28 days. So finally, I found out that Frontier offered DSL. Great. Yeah, it's kind of old-fashioned and at a rated speed of, hold on to your seats, 25 MIPS. Ooh, ooh. Anyway, but the problem was with Frontier, it started out at about $80 a month. And that was good for a couple of years, and then it started creeping up and up. And then about a year ago, it started going up like $2 a month every month. Till it got to a point where it was $136 a month. Again, for 25 MIPS. Download with an upload of 1 or 2. So I was doing some checking, and I talked to some folks up here that got Starlink. They loved it. Well, at the time I bought Starlink, it was a Gen 3 router. It was on sale, and it's $120 a month. And there's no limit for the residential plan. So I said, you know, what the heck? Now, Starlink doesn't rate it. They don't say, okay, well, you're guaranteed so many MIPS. They say usually you can count on 200 MIPS. All right, well, all right, it's a hell of a lot better than 25. So I went ahead and ordered it, and I got it installed, and that's what we'll go over in the rest of the video as we switch to me live in the studio. Don't you hate it when the local newscasts now live in studio is Stephanie Upchuck. Hey, everybody, look. It's Boone the Wonder Dog dropping by to say hi. Say hi, Boone. Good boy. Ordered it through the Starlink website, which I would highly recommend. Yeah, there's other places you can buy it. Well, let me pull one of these reality TV shows. Yes, there are other places you can buy it. But if you order it directly from Starlink, you'll get the best price, any sale prices that you may not get. And it's optimized for your zip code. Because they know where, anyway, it's a long story. Let's get back to, I don't like that. So, and there's plenty of unboxing videos. I don't know what the fascination is. Apparently, it's something you have to do. like at the end saying, subscribe, like, and comment, and hit the notification bell. Yeah, I don't really care. Anyway, make sure my screensaver doesn't kick in. So here's some. It comes nicely packaged, easy to open, very nice. The instructions, they're a little lacking. Fortunately, there's a couple of videos on YouTube. I know, what a shock. That gives you some ideas of how to install it. Well, one of my problems here is that it's just me and Boone. And as helpful as Boone wants to be, he doesn't have opposable thumbs. So he doesn't always help out as much as he could. Well, one of the things about the Starlink system is you have to have a smartphone. You have to, because it's the Starlink app that lets you figure out where to mount it. You have to have a clear, unobstructed view of the sky. And I was kind of surprised. There were spots where I thought I had it, but no, not according to the app. There were just enough trees at the periphery that it was showing 17, 18% blocked and not recommended. Well, I finally found a spot in the back, up on the eave. And the problem is just me. It's kind of heavy. And I knew I wasn't going to be able to get up and down the ladder with the tools. So what I did was that I installed it, made a little mount that I installed it at the end of an 8-foot 4x4 post that I could then carry out to the side of the house, put it up there, kind of wedge it in place, get up the ladder, put a couple of quick grips on there, and then drill the holes. And then once it was there for a couple of days, I got it working. Then I went ahead and used my cordless circular saw and trimmed off the support post. I will say that, yes, it's do-it-yourself. There were some hiccups. I got the through-the-wall mount, through-the-wall wire run. It worked okay. Like I said, we had a few hiccups, but I got the router basically where I wanted it. The power source for the router, which is now separate. And it's not a professional install, but it works, and it works really great. And this is what I'm going to say about installation. Starlink has some recommended installers, and they charge, I forget, but for like a standard install. Well, if you're over 70 and got a bad knee or a brand new knee, and you got some other problems, you may not want to do it yourself. Yeah, my knee's working really, really good, but it doesn't like going up and down ladders. Oh, not at all. So I'd recommend that if you're of a certain age or you don't have a neighbor that can help you, go ahead and pay the bucks to have somebody professionally install it. The one thing I did notice right away is that the router itself is more powerful than my old Frontier router. I get a stronger signal throughout the house and out in the garage. It works a lot better. So I said the range is better. So I like that part. Now, as far as the speeds, I can't complain about the speeds at all. The first couple of days I had it installed, I was hitting well over 400 MIPS. One day I even hit 515, which is like pretty impressive. But it's been up since, I think, the middle of April, beginning of April. And I usually run well into 200 MIPS, almost 300 every time I test it. And the upload speed has been a lot faster, in the neighborhood of 20 to 30 MIPS, sometimes a little higher. And what I noticed there was when I uploaded that video comparing the Starlink system to the Star Trek technology, that was a under 6-minute video, and it uploaded to YouTube in less than 15 minutes. I was shocked because some of my other videos, like the 10 minutes, it would take an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours. When I went to bed and woke up, oh, I finally got finished uploading. How quaint. So if we can extrapolate less than 15 minutes for a 6-minute video, gee, wouldn't it be nice if I could upload a 10-minute video in about 30 minutes? And that's, hey, it's not blazing fast, but for up here, I can't complain. And that's it for this one. I will see you in the next one.